Plugin installation. Thanks again for getting your copy of Smart AI Content Creator. Chances are, if you've been able to navigate to this video training, then most likely you've already installed the plugin successfully. But just in case, here's how to install it. Smart AI Content Creator comes in the form of a zip file containing the plugin files, as all WordPress plugins do. Don't unzip that file. Instead, navigate to the WordPress website you want to install it on and go to the WP admin section of that blog. In the navigation menu on the left-hand side, click Plugins, Add New. When that page loads, click the button that says Upload Plugin, then click Choose File, and use the resulting dialog to browse to the location on your computer or phone to where you downloaded the plugin zip file and select the file. Then click Install Now. After the plugin is uploaded successfully, you'll see a button saying Activate. Click that to activate Smart AI Content Creator. After the plugin is activated, you'll see the Smart AI CCC menu listing on the left-hand side. Once you see that, you are ready to rock and roll with Smart AI Content Creator.